The Rock Garden of Chandigarh is a sculpture garden in Chandigarh, Haryana, India. It is also known as Neckchand's Rock Garden after its founder Neckchand Sanai, a government official who started the garden secretly in his spare time in 1957. Today, it is spread over an acre of 40. It is completely built from industrial and home waste and discarded items. The rock garden sits near Shukhana Lake. It consists of man-made interlinked waterfalls and many other sculptures that have been made of scrap and other kind of waste such as bottles, glasses, bangles, tiles, ceramic pots, sinks, electrical weights, broken pipes like that, which are placed in walled paths. Now we are going to see famous monuments in India which are made up of different kinds of rocks. Taj Mahal. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built this mausoleum for his darling wife Mumtaz Mahal. This Taj Mahal was made up of 28 different types of semi-precious stones and different kinds of marbles. It's located in Agra. Red Fort. The Red Fort is the most popular and important of the forts in India. It was constructed under the leadership of Shah Jahan and since then has been home to various noble kings. Today, the Red Fort is important landmark and is used for the Prime Minister's addresses to the nation on Independence Day. Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. It is located in Delhi. Qutb Minar. This 240-foot monument is Delhi's crown jewel. Standing tall, the tower was built by Qutbuddin Aibak and his successors. The magnificent tower has balconies. Qutb Minar is made using red sandstone and marble. Qutb Minar is located in Delhi. Humayun's tomb. Humayun's tomb was one of the earliest construction of the Mughal emperor. The tomb is famous for its red sandstone and impeccable geometrical shape. Humayun's tomb is located in Delhi. Agra Fort. Agra Fort was originally built in 1080 AD. In 1573 AD, Akbar rebuilt this Agra Fort. Since then, the Agra Fort has gained immense popularity and is one of the best monuments to visit in India. The structure of Agra Fort is fabulous with intricate artwork on its sandstone and marble walls. Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is made up of red sandstone. It is located in Fatehpur Sikri city. Golden Temple. The gorgeous Golden Temple. The lower level of temple has gorgeous marble floors and walls with animal and flower prints on them. Golden Temple is located in Punjab. Mamleswar Temple, Jamma Masjid, Konark Sun Temple, Khajuraho Group of Monuments, Sanchi Stupa, Gateway of India, Jantar Mandir, Hampi, Charminar, Gol Gumba. These are the India's most visited monuments are spread across the country, made up of different kinds of rocks.